fight me if I order another mystery bag, because the apprehension and the anxiety that this gives me, it's ridiculous. Hi guys, it's Ali. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have an unboxing of the small and the large Huda Beauty mystery bags. So if you guys want to see what I got, then go ahead and keep on watching. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of background information. So there were two sizes of mystery bags launched, I think sometime last week. So there was a small for £45 and the large for £78. I don't have a lot of Huda Beauty products, so I thought why not just get both. So I did, and I'm hoping that I have enough products in here to justify the price that I paid. Although after watching a couple of videos, I am a little bit apprehensive because I did see a lot of things that I personally wouldn't like, and that's sort of the risk with mystery bags, is that you kind of just get what you get. And I should have learnt my lesson when I got the Morphe mystery box, but it's done and I have the bags. So here they are. They kind of come in this Ziploc bag type, and everyone's always talking about this heart-shaped bubble wrap, which now that I've seen it in person is actually really cute. So I'm gonna hold them back up again so you guys can see. So these are the different sizes. So they both come in holographic bags, one small and one is large. I ordered these on the 5th and they arrived on the 8th, so the box has just been kind of in my room staring at me as I was finishing my assignments, and then I finally get to look inside. I haven't looked inside yet, so my reaction, I guess, is going to be on camera, and I really hope that I'm not disappointed, and I feel like I'm talking a lot. So I guess I just have to open them and see what's inside. Just so you guys know, the small bag is supposed to be a 57% saving and the large is supposed to be 67%. So yeah, I will have the prices of everything on the screen so you guys can sort of calculate how much everything would have cost me if I bought it outright. But yeah, let's go. Oh, I am so nervous. Okay. I think my problem is that I watched videos beforehand. If I hadn't done that, then I'd feel a lot better, but because I've seen that there are a lot of lip products that aren't for me, some of the eyeshadow palettes as well just aren't for me, and I feel like that's exactly what I'm gonna get. So this is the small bag, and here it is. It's just in a holographic casing, and the bag itself comes as a set for £30 with the large one. But yeah, I really like that. Hopefully you guys can't see what's inside. Yeah, you can't. So that's what it looks like. On my delivery note, there is a number for both of the bags. So if you guys do want to know what numbers I've got, then I will leave a comment in the comment section down below. But I won't say it in the video just because I don't want to spoil it for anyone if, let's say, all the number 2s are the same and all the number 4s, blah, blah, blah. So yeah. I'm going to go ahead and open her up. My zip stuck. Oh, there we go. So we've got more of the bubble wrap, and the first thing on top is a card. So the card on top is just a discount code, so there's a 15% off code if I want to buy anything else from their website. But we're not here for cards, we're here for products. So the first thing on top is a sample product, and this is the Wishful Honey Balm, and I'm not sure if this is included as one of the 4 items or if it's just an extra little sample, but this is at the top. We've got a lip product, which I knew was coming, but whether or not it's a product that I'll wear is a completely different situation. So this is the Demi Matte Cream Lipstick in the shade Shiro. I'm gonna see if I can have a closer look at the shade. I don't think I'm gonna swatch it just because I'm not 100% certain if I'm gonna keep this product or not. I might give it away. So that is what the colour looks like. It looks like a kind of nudie colour. I suppose with a nice brown lip liner and a gloss on top, that might be really pretty. But it's not something that I would personally go out of my way to buy. I've had one of the Huda Beauty liquid lips before. It was, I think, Trophy Wife, and it came with a lip strobe, and I just hated it. I didn't like either of the products in there, and I know that there's a potential for a lip strobe to come up. You know what? It's okay. And the next item I can see is this Diamond Balm, and it is in the shade Seductress. I've seen these and I think they're really pretty. I've seen them on Instagram, but I've never had one in real life, and I'm gonna go ahead and have a look at what it looks like. So That is the colour of it. I just love the little shiny glitters around it. It just looks so pretty. And it's got like a magnetic cap, which I just think is so cool. Yeah, that's a nice little thing. I might keep that because it's a balm and not a lipstick. If it was a lipstick and that was the shade, it wouldn't really be for me. Okay. Guys, I feel like I'm gonna get so many comments talking about it's a mystery box, you can't just be upset, but I am. I'm sorry, but I am. So I've got the neon palette. So this is the Neon Obsessions in the green, and honestly I've only seen one other person on YouTube with this palette in their small bundle, and I literally saw that this morning as I was watching videos, and I thought to myself, gosh, I hope I don't get that. And literally here it is, but maybe it's not as bad on the inside. I was really hoping for like the purple diamond one. That one looked really nice. So that's what it looks like on the inside. To be honest, I don't really see myself using this, so I am likely to give this away as well. And the last thing in here looks like a dual-sided liquid eyeshadow, which I actually kind of like the look of. And let's see if I can find out what shade we've got. So it's Room Service and Do Not Disturb. This is one that I saw pretty much everyone had this one, to be fair. I didn't really see anyone that had a different variation of this product. So this is a product that I'm probably going to keep. I don't see myself giving this away just because I love eyeshadows in different colours. So I am going to swatch this one for you guys. So this is the matte side, and it is in the shade of Room Service, and that was actually really smooth. It felt really nice on the skin. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch the other side, which is Do Not Disturb, and this is sort of like a coppery colour. Oh, this side has a different kind of applicator. It looks like a brush. Yeah, so this is a brush applicator instead of like the doe foot. And that is what that shade looks like. Okay, I'm definitely not mad at that at all. And another note, the packaging for this is really solid. Like, I actually really like how this feels. Okay, so this was everything in the small bundle, and I think out of everything I only liked 2 of the products. So I'm hoping that these 2 alone amounted to £45. Otherwise, that would be a real shame. Low-key, after watching videos, I kind of knew the small bag was going to disappoint me. Like, I anticipated that. It's the large bag that has the potential to just make me happy on the inside. So, oh gosh, I'm really nervous because there's literally one item in here that's going to make or break this bag for me. And if I get it, then you guys will know. So here is the large bag, and I'm really trying hard not to look at the back because I know that the product that I'm apprehensive about is going to be one of the last ones in here. I'm going to try not to look as I unbox it because I don't want to see the product beforehand, if you know what I mean. Gosh, these bags are hard to open. I'm literally going blind and feeling around in here. So we've got a box, and this is a full size of the honey balm. To be honest with you guys, I'm not super thrilled about this just because I've read that it has lavender in it. That is the lavender through and through, so that's another thing that's going to be given away because I don't like lavender. I don't know what to tell you. I just don't. I'm going to feel around again. Okay, so we've got the Basic B sponge. So it's got the flat angled side on one side and then it's rounded on the other. Depending on how this is when it's wet, this could really be a game changer for me. I do love sponges and I love my beauty blenders, and I haven't really found anything that matches the quality of a beauty blender yet. So we'll see how this works out. Oh, I nearly looked. Oh, I nearly looked. What is this? Okay, so we've got a car fragrance. And it's just, you know, a crying Huda, I think. It's not really something that I'm probably going to use. I don't have a car, nor do I drive, so Yeah, that's just a thing that I own. Oh, we've got another of the diamond balms. I wonder if it's the same. Okay, so it's not the same shade. This is in the shade negligee. My heart is really going now because I know that the products are dwindling down, and so far I don't think I've liked anything in this bag yet. I don't know, but we've got the negligee diamond balm here, which I don't know. I suppose I'm gonna have to see how these both apply. That's both of them side by side. At least they're pretty different, but I feel like on me they're gonna show up exactly the same because they are balms. I don't really see that they're gonna add any pigment or anything to my lips. How many items have I gone through now? I don't even know. What is this? Oh, okay, so this is the life liner. If you guys watch my videos, then you know I already have this, but I literally lost mine last week and I was very, very upset because I love the life liner. It is one of my favorite liners, and I was heartbroken to lose mine. So for those of you guys who don't know, this is what it looks like. It's a dual ended liner. So on one side we've got the pencil, and then on the other is the brush. The brush isn't a straight brush, it's got like a bit of an angle to it, but it's a gorgeous liner. That's the color of it. It's a very deep black. I'm really happy that I got another one of these now. I'm definitely going to tally up the items that I like and see if it amounts to £123. If it doesn't, then I guess I'm just gonna be like, whoops, lost my money. I think I've got okay, so I've got a lip strobe in the shade Ritzy. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'm not gonna open this because I already know that I don't like lip strobes. I don't like that whole metallic look on my lips. It's just not really a me thing. So that is what the shade looks like. I knew this was coming, and I definitely didn't want the deep sort of purpley lip strobe. So this is the better of the two. I mean, I'm not gonna keep it, but it is what it is. Let's see. I think there are only 2 items left, and guys, I am so okay. So the next one is I've got the summer highlight palette. I kind of wanted the 3D one because it looked like it had better shades in it than this one. This one's got like a purple in it that I just don't see myself wearing. So that's what it looks like on the inside. So we've got like a really, really bright gold, a more bronzy type gold, a pink, and a purple. I really don't see myself wearing this. I'm gonna swatch it just in case I'm not giving the product enough credit. Maybe it's really nice and I'm just judging a book by its cover, but it doesn't look like it's for me. So this is the entire palette swatched. Yeah, I definitely would have preferred the 3D palette, but a lot of people that I've seen have got this one. I think maybe 2 or 3 people got the other one, and that kind of brought my hopes up a little bit. Maybe I can use this as an eyeshadow palette or something. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this. So we're down to our last product now, and when I tell you guys, I'm really, really nervous. And if you guys have watched a lot of unboxings, then you know that the last product is a big palette. So all of the large bags have one of the big, I think, £48 palettes. I think that's how much they cost. I've only got one of those, and it's the one that I did a review on. I think it's called the Naughty palette or something like that. And I've seen 2 different variations in the bags, and one of them is the retrograde palette, and then I've seen the sort of rose gold remastered. And the retrograde palette, while it looks pretty and everything like that, it's not a palette that I'm going to use. It's full of pastel colours and bright colours and things like that just aren't my cup of tea. I'm really, really scared of powdery looking colours, especially on my complexion. So I am hoping that I've got the rose gold remastered. I'm so scared. Okay. Should I close my eyes? Am I being dramatic? I feel like I'm being dramatic, but you guys, I'm telling you, when I saw the unboxings after I'd already placed my order, I was really like, oh no, what have I done? Oh wow, okay, the back is black, so I currently can't see what palette I've got. I am so happy. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. I am... listen, I'm gassed. Look at it. I am so happy about that palette. I feel like if it had been the retrograde palette, I really don't think I would know what I would have done with myself. I know it's a mystery bag and I know that I should just accept what I've got, but honestly, I was losing my mind thinking about it. I was so scared. And someone fight me if I order another mystery bag, because the apprehension and the anxiety that this gives me, it's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. But I need to now sit down and calculate the price of this, plus the lifeliner, the 2 diamond bombs, the liquid eyeshadow, and the beauty sponge. If these amount to £123, then I'm gonna be a very happy lady, and I feel like my money hasn't gone completely down the toilet. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this palette. I've never even seen it in real life. That is so up my street. Thank you very much. If you guys know me and you know what I like, and you saw what the retrograde palette looked like in comparison to this one, then you know that the retrograde just, it wasn't really for me. That's pretty much it for today's video. Let me know what you guys thought in the comment section down below. Would you have been happy with the 2 bags that I got? If you've got your own mystery bags, let me know what you got in yours, and if you are happy with what you got as well. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out, and hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, because it really helps out my channel. I am gonna go and probably play with this remastered palette, so I'll see you guys in my next one.